Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to archive or delete multiple posts on Instagram. You can open Instagram app. Select your profile. Usually if we want to delete them one by one, select post and tap on three dot. So, select delete if you want to delete it, or select archive to archive it. But it takes a long time if we want to delete many posts. Select three lines. Select your activity. And scroll down until you find post. Here, you can click select. And just select multiple posts that you want to delete or archive. Select archive to archive it. Or select delete to delete them. So that's all. Super simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.